So in today's skincare video, a lot of the products that I have been using lately are from Biossance. This is not a sponsored video. I don't even know if Biossance does sponsored videos, but let's put it into the air that hopefully they will see this. So first, let's start with the Biossance Squalene and Tea Tree Cleansing Gel. So I started using this, I think a few months ago when we first started in quarantine. My face was really acting up and I found this on Sephora, ordered it, and I fell in love with it ever since. I love how much the cleanser lathers and it really gets into your pores and gets all that dirt and grime out. And that tea tree oil definitely has improved my skin. So I just like to really go in by my hairline, just in case I have any gel, really go in circles on my face, just make sure to really get all that gunk out. Okay, and so after I wash my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Mask. So this Rose Mask, it's kind of similar to the Pharmacy Honey Mask. So in the sense of when I put it on my face, it kind of heats up. And so this mask is meant to bring you hydration. And so I just applied 3 to 4 pumps and left it on my skin for about 10 minutes. And I do this daily. So next I will be using my rose water toner, and I've found these reusable cloths, so I've been using those lately. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tone my face, bring some hydration. Since it's the summertime, it's super hot outside, we need all the hydration we can get. One of my lashes just came out, so that just let me know it's time for a fill. Alright, and so after I've toned my entire face, we will now move on to the Squalene and Phyto-Retinol serum. And so this serum, like with retinol, it helps to reduce the look of lines and wrinkles. So I like to start with my cheeks, bring it up under my eyes, down to my chin, anywhere where wrinkles will really appear. For me, it's definitely like my smile lines, my forehead, just really work to get that product into my face. And then next I have the Squalene and Peptide eye gel. And so this eye gel, it visibly helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Now I've learned to apply eye cream by putting it onto the ring fingers and just lightly tapping it under the eyes, since that is a sensitive area. I mean, the skin isn't as thick there as it is on the rest of your face. So you really have to be careful with that sensitive part of your eyes. And my eyelids are feeling a little dry, so I just applied it there. And once that is all rubbed in, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil. This rose oil, no joke, has saved my skin. I was one of those believers. I was like, well, why would I add oil to my skin? I don't want to have oily skin. But this has changed my life for the better. I will preach to the mountaintops for this vitamin C and rose oil. I apply it in the morning, at night. Sometimes I'll skip my moisturizer and just apply this and sunscreen. But this is definitely one of my top 5 favorite skincare products. And so any excess that I have, I will bring it down into my neck. You always got to protect that neck area too. And the moisturizer I'm using from the Top Shelfies, this is the Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. And so this one had a watery feel to it. It was more light, so this helps to brighten and balance the skin. And also in this package, there was a Omega Repair Cream, and this one helps to deeply moisturize the skin. So I didn't think I really needed to use that today. And next, of course, SPF. I didn't get my hands on the Biossance SPF yet, so I'm using Murad Sunscreen. And again, make sure to bring that all over my face, down to my neck, protect every area of my face that is going to be visible in the sun. All right, and that is my quick little skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next video.